Have you ever sat in front of your screen with no idea what to post and wondered, how do other creators keep uploading nonstop? By the way, this video is sponsored by AI Creator Max. Comment yes if you have ever struggled with coming up with video ideas. Here's the shocking part. Most creators do not stop because they hate making videos, they stop because they run out of topics. But imagine this. In just 10 minutes, you could have 30 new ideas ready to go. Sounds crazy, right? Stay with me, because I'm going to show you how. Step 1. The question hack. Think about what people type into Google or YouTube, like how to edit faster or how to make thumbnails free. Every question can be turned into a video idea. Step 2. The list hack. Turn simple tips into numbers, like 5 ways to grow on YouTube or 7 editing tricks nobody tells you. Lists grab attention and make people curious. Step 3. The reaction hack. React to news headlines or trending topics in your niche and add your own take. Did you know? Trending videos can pull in 4 times more views, even if you have a small channel? That is why idea speed matters more than fancy gear. Before I give you the biggest secret, let me ask you, what is the hardest part of coming up with video ideas for you? Type it in the comments, because your answer might help another creator too. Quick sponsor break. This video is brought to you by AI Creator Max. It helps you write titles, blogs, ads, and emails 10 times faster with over 100 ready-made templates. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and you're done. Try it free with the link below. Now here is the dramatic twist. The fastest way to 30 ideas in 10 minutes is to mix all 3 hacks together. Imagine stacking questions plus lists plus trends. Suddenly, your page is full and you will never run out of ideas again. And here's a funny truth. Your audience does not care if your lighting is bad, if your idea is gold. So do not waste another day stuck on what to post. Your next 30 ideas are waiting inside these hacks. And remember, AI Creator Max makes it even easier to turn ideas into content. Link is in the description if you want to try it free. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a creator friend who needs new ideas.